On this Larry King special report, is your credit in crisis? One of the country's greatest credit experts is going to reveal the inside credit secrets you need to turn your financial life around. John Olsheimer is a nationally recognized expert on credit reporting, credit scoring, and identity theft. Welcome, John.
Larry, thanks for having me.
Can you explain what credit scores actually mean?
Gladly. That's actually a great question. There are two main credit score brands. One is the FICO score, and one is the Vantage score. And generally, these two scores are going to score your credit between 300 and up to 850. Consumers with excellent credit scores are given the lowest interest rates, the highest credit limits, the lowest premiums on insurance policies. But if your score is lower, as everyone out there watching probably knows, it can quickly turn into a financial nightmare, not just for you, but also for your family.
So a majority of Americans are paying through the nose for credit.
Millions of dollars more than they would if they had a higher score. The FTC found that 1 in 5 consumers had at least one error on their credit reports.
Now, that's around 50 million Americans. That's a huge portion of our audience watching right now.
Only you, the borrower, the consumer, can tell the difference between something that's accurate and something that is inaccurate on your credit reports. And only you can ask for that false information to be corrected.
Let's break away for a moment and hear from some people just like you and how they're dealing with their credit in crisis.
I had a really successful business, and it was driven by credit. And I was doing great volume one day, and I was out of business the next. I lost my farm, I lost my house, it caused a heart attack, I went through a divorce, and I tried to pick up the pieces.
For me to have to say, I cannot get you something for Christmas, that was like the worst.
And the credit bureaus don't care. They don't care, and the collection agencies, they don't care. They just want the money. And that's what's hard about it is I don't have the money. I make a ton of money. I'm an engineer, and I can't even buy a house with all the money I make, and it's hard.
John, you have found this little book, Credit Secrets, that you believe has the power to really turn people's financial lives around.
When I sat down and read Credit Secrets, I felt it was the answer to most people's problems. It's so simple that with a little bit of work and perseverance, anybody can do it, and I have seen the results.
If you're struggling in your financial life, this little book could be the answer to all your prayers. Here's everything you receive.
First, Credit Secrets, the 190-page book that will dramatically change your financial life for the better. It's so easy. Just follow the simple steps in the book and watch your credit change in front of your eyes. You'll also get the Credit Secrets Quick Start Guide. With this guide, you'll be on the simple road of repairing your own credit within minutes of opening the package. You'll also receive the Secret Money Method video course that reveals inside information you need to secure up to $12,000 of credit almost instantly. And the final bonus is the Credit Secrets Guide to Building Business Credit. Harness the huge advantages business credit gives you, making your life richer and more secure. That's a total value of over $139, but that's not what you'll pay. As a viewer of this Larry King special report, your price is only $39.95. Yes, only $39.95. For less than a tank of gas, you can turn your financial life around. Call within the next 10 minutes and you'll be upgraded to free priority shipping. But that's not all. Larry is so sure this will work for you, you'll receive a double your money back guarantee. If your credit score doesn't increase within 90 days of following the guidelines in the book, you'll receive a refund for double the amount you paid for the book. How much is it worth to you to wake up tomorrow with no financial cloud hanging over your head? No harassing phone calls, hope of a beautiful future for you and your family, and financial peace of mind. Don't lose this no-risk, double your money back offer. Call now. If the phones are busy, please call back.
There's no way you can lose here. There's a money-back guarantee. So at the end of the day, you buy the book and you take action and it doesn't work for you, then you get your money back. That would be the biggest mistake, that was not doing it.
Ladies and gentlemen, there are only 3 sure things in life: death, taxes, and your credit. And now there's hope. Thanks for watching.